Welcome to Shruti's online school, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the first chapter of class 6 maths, knowing our numbers. So this numbers we have been learning from the time we were in KG. So from KG we have started with ONE1, TWO2, THREE and so on. So just as I and you, we all have names, similarly numbers also have names. And these numbers are large and small. Just as people are big and small, similarly numbers are also large and small. And these numbers are very helpful in counting objects. And large numbers are used for counting population of a country and a continent. Small numbers are used to count the number of family members, to count the money in our pockets. When we add numbers, we subtract, we multiply, we divide. We have also done fractions based on numbers. We have learned about whole numbers in our previous class. We have done patterns and sequences using number. Let's learn something more about number. Here we are going to see the smallest and largest numbers in different digits. So here let us look at a pattern. Very firstly we have number column 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits and so on. Then here we are going to write the smallest 1 digit number and then we are going to write the largest 1 digit number, and henceforth we are going to follow the same for all. So let's get started. So the smallest 1 digit number is 1, whereas the largest 1 digit number is 9. Now when I talk about smallest 2 digit number, so what I do is I write 1 and 0, that is 10. That is the smallest 2 digit number. Largest 2 digit number what we have is 9 and 9, 99. Because after 99 the number would be 100, it becomes 3 digit number. So that is the smallest 3 digit number. And the largest 3 digit number what we have is 999. Then again when this 999 1 is added to it, we get 1000. So this is the smallest 4 digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, and then we put a comma and that is thousands. And here we write one more 9. 4 times we write 9, so which gives us 9999. 5 digit number, smallest one. Just to this 9999 we add 1, we get it as 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. And here we write 5 times the digit 9. So we get the largest 5 digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So it is 99,999. Now for 6 digit numbers what we do is we write one more 0. So that is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, and lakh. And then we have the largest 6 digit number. So we write the digit 9 6 times. So this gives us ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, 9,99,999. Then we move on for the 7 digit. So we get as 1 and then we write 0 6 times. So this gives us 7 digit number, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Then here we write one more 9. So we write 7 times 9 for getting the largest 7 digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, then thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Now we want the 8 digit number. So we write 7 times 0 and the digit 1. So we get ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and crore. And then here we write the digit 9 8 times. So we get the largest 8 digit number and we place the commas. And lastly we have 9 digit number. So for that we write zeros 8 times and 1. And here we write the digit 9 times. We place commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, and 10 crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, 10 crore. Now we move forward. Now we are going to learn about place value of digits in numbers. So let's have a look at this. This is also very simple. Everywhere you just have to use logic. So here you can see I have written O stands for ones, O stands for ones or units, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds, TH stands for thousands, TH stands for 10,000s, L stands for lakhs, TL stands for 10 lakh, C stands for crore, TC stands for 10 crore, and after 10 crore we either have 100 crore or a billion. Now when we write the one digit number, so I have written it as 1, the number name is 1. When I have written a 2-digit number, I have written the digits as 1 and 0, so 1 and 0 is 10, the number name is 10. When I write 3 digits, I have written here the digits 1, 1 and 0, so we get it as 110. So we write the number name as 110. Then 4 digits, I have written the digits 2, 3, 4 and 0. So here I place commas, ones, tens, hundreds, and then we put a comma. So the number name is 2000 because 2 is in thousand space, 3 is in hundred space, so 3 hundreds, 4 is in 10 space, so 40. And in one space we have 0. So 2340 is the name of the number. Now in 5 digits I have written the digits 3, 0, 5, 6 and 7. Now how do I read the number name? I read it as ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So in place of 10,000 I have got 3. So 3 tens is 30. So 30, 30, 30,000. In place of hundreds I have 5. So 500 and in place of tens I have 6. So 60 and then 7. So the number name is 30,567. And then 6 digits, I have written the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let us place commas as per Indian numeration system. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, and then this is lakh. So now we see how this number is named. 1 is in the place of lakh, so therefore the number name is 1 lakh. Then you see 2 is in place of 10,000 and 3 is in place of 1,000. So 2, 3 is both are in thousand space, so 23,000, hence we have written 23,000. And then in hundred space we see 4, 10 space we see 5, 5 tens are 50, and in one space we see 6. So hence it is 456. So here you see 456. Now we move to some more such numbers. Place value of digits in numbers. So now we are writing a 7-digit number. So the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us place commas here as per Indian numeration system. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So here we can see that in place of lakhs we have 1, 2, so which is 12. So 12 lakhs. In place of thousands we have 3 and 4. 3 tens are 30 and 4. So 34,000. In place of hundreds we have 5 hundreds. 6 in place of tens, so 6 tens is 60, and ones place is 7. So 7 ones is 7. So we write it as 567. So the whole number is 12,34,567. Now we move on to the 8 digits. So here I have written the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's place commas here. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and then crore. So here we have in place of crore we have 1, so it is 1 crore. In place of lakhs, 10 lakhs and lakhs we have 2 and 3, so that is 2 tens are 20 and then 3, 23 lakhs. Then we have in place of thousands as 4, 5, so 4, 5 is 45, so 45,000. Then lastly we have 6 in place of 100, 7 in place of tens and 8 in place of ones, so 678. Now for 9 digits, I have used the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let us place commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. So here we can see in place of 10 crore we have 1, in place of crore we have 2. So in place of crores we have 1, 2, that is 12, so 12 crore. In place of lakhs we have 3 and 4, so 34 lakh. In place of thousands we have 5 and 6, so 56,000, and ultimately 789. And lastly we have 10-digit number. So here I have taken the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Let us place commas as per Indian numeration system. 0, 9 and 8. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore comma and then 1. So here I will read it as, if you see, in the place of 100 crore or billion we have 1. So we write it as 1 billion. In place of crores we have 23. So we write it as 23 crore. In place of lakhs we have 4 and 5. So 45 lakhs. In place of thousands we have 6 and 7. So 67,000 and ultimately 890. This just requires simple logic. It is very, very easy. It is very, very easy. We just need to use our logic and it follows the same uniform pattern. So knowing our numbers, so learning numbers are really very, very easy, as simple as a game, as you all can see. Now we move on to the large numbers. Okay. Before this also we have seen certain large numbers, but now we are going to see how we write them and how we read them. So the greatest one digit number, as we saw earlier, was 9. When I add 1 to it, I get it as 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. In words, I write it as 10. And this 10 is the smallest two-digit number, which we have already seen earlier. Similarly, to the greatest two-digit number, 99, when you add 1, you get the smallest three-digit number, that is 100. So it is written as 100 or 100. Similarly, when you continue the pattern, when you add to the greatest three-digit number, that is 999, 1, you get 1000. So this 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. Henceforth, greatest four-digit number 9999. Let us place a comma here. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. You get the smallest five-digit number. So let's place comma here. Now you get 10,000. And again, when you add to the greatest five-digit number, that is, we place commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So that is 99,999 plus 1 when you add. So you are going to get the number 1 lakh. So in 1 lakh, we place commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, and then this is lakh. So in 1 lakh, you have total 5 zeros and there are 6 digits. Now similarly, we have more large numbers beyond lakh. That is 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, or just also called as 1 billion. So if you add, let's place commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, to the greatest six-digit number 1, you get the number 10 lakh. So this 10 lakh is the smallest seven-digit number. Let's place comma here also, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, and 10 lakh. Then again, when you place the greatest seven-digit number, you add 1 to it, you get the number 1 crore, and that is the smallest eight-digit number. Similarly, you add to the greatest 8-digit number 1, you get the smallest 9-digit number, that is 10 crore. And then when you add 9-digit number to the greatest 9-digit number 1, you get the smallest 10-digit number, that is 100 crore or 1 billion. There are numbers beyond this 100 crore or billion also, but in class 6, it is good to know these numbers. That will be more than enough. Let's quickly place commas. Okay, how we place commas? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, and then ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So first we start from the right side, putting 3, then 2, then 2. Again here, we start from extreme right, 3 intervals of 3, then intervals of 2. First we start with intervals of 3, then always intervals of 2. First we start with intervals of 3, and then it is always intervals of 2. Now let us move further. Now we are going to learn about the writing of numbers in Indian system of numeration, means how we place commas and how we read the numbers and write. We are going to see that. So here, commas are used to mark 1,000, lakhs, and crores when we are doing it in Indian system of numeration. Okay, so very firstly, the first comma is placed in hundreds place, that is 3 digits from the right. We are going to see it. And second comma is placed in lakhs place, that is 5 digits from right, in the intervals of 2 digits. Then third comma is placed again in crore space in the intervals of 2 digits, that is 7 digits from right. Let us see this example. Here you will see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is a huge number written. Now we are going to place commas over here. Very firstly, we start from right. 1, 2, 3. So this is a comma at the intervals of hundreds. Then we take 2 at the intervals of thousands we have. Then we have in the intervals of lakhs, and then we have 2, that is crores. So in the Indian system of numeration, we start with interval of 3, then always it is intervals of 2 and 2. So let's read this number and let's write this number. Before we write, it's easy and best if we write this ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now we can easily write this number. In crore groups you see 2, 3. So we write it as 23 crore. Then you see in the group of lakhs and 10 lakhs 45. So we write it as 45 lakh. In place of thousands you see 6 and 7. So we write it as 67,000. And ultimately in hundreds and ones you see 890. So you write 800 because in hundred space you have 8. And then in 10 space you have 9. So 9 tens is 90. This is how you denote numbers in Indian system of numeration. So after 3, okay. Now we proceed further. Okay, here we can make certain changes. Here we have, after hundreds place we have thousands. So here from 5 digits. And then after 1000 we have lakhs. That is 7 digits. So I hope this is very much clear to you all. You have to just apply basic logic. First is intervals of 3 from the extreme right, then we have the intervals of 2 and so forth. Now we move further. We see how to write numbers in the Indian system of numeration. Here you have 100. So this 100 can be broken up as 10 multiplied by 10. So this you can write, 100 can also be shown as 10 tens. That is nothing but we have just done division. Now 1000 can be written in the form of 10 multiplied by 100. Because here you see in 1000 you see 3 zeros. So if I do the breakup, I can get it as 10 multiplied by 100. So here 1 ones are gives 1 and then again 3 zeros. So which will give us 1000. So this can also be written as 10 hundreds because 100 is hundreds. Or else you can write it as vice versa. That is 100 multiplied by 10. So this you can write as 100 tens. Now we move on to the next one, that is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh can be broken up as 10 multiplied by, in 10 we took 1 zero, so the next 4 zeros go in 10,000. So this we can write in words as 10 thousands. This 10 as it is and this 10 thousands. Or we can write it as 100 multiplied by 100. As you see, there are 6 zeros, so 100 multiply 100. So it can be shown as 100 hundreds. Or it can be shown as, you write 1000 multiplied by 100. 1000 multiplied by 100. Okay, wait, here we have to write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it becomes 1000. So it is not hundreds, it is thousands. 100 thousands. Here what you need to see is the number of zeros. When you write 10, so 1 zero is gone, the rest of the zeros are 4 because there are 5 zeros totally. Here when you show it as 100 multiplied by 1000, in 100 you have 2 zeros, so next 3 zeros are pending. So it is 100 thousands. Or 1000 when you have already written, so 3 zeros are gone, so 100 is remaining. So this can also be written as 1000 hundreds. Now we proceed further. So here you'll see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. You can quickly even write it so that your reading becomes very, very easy. So 1 crore can be shown as 10 multiplied by. In 10 I took 1 0. So the other zeros are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is equal to 10 and this is 10 lakhs. Or we can show it as, I add one more zero here, so 100 multiplied here 2 zeros, so now it will be 5 zeros there. So it is 100 lakhs. Or we can write it as 1000, so your 3 zeros are there, so I will write here 4 zeros. So it is 1000, 10 thousands and so on. So these are the other styles or ways of denoting numbers. I hope you all have understood. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.